So here we are. Me and Lane are trying to strike a deal. Lane wants to get this Minecraft game, um, but it costs $6.99 to play on my tablet. You want it? Okay, he wants it.
Yeah, but we need to sign in first.
Well, he doesn't have $6.99. But I said that we could maybe make a deal. So, what kind of deal do you think we could do? What was your first suggestion for a deal? What's that?
Massage.
Okay. And what kind of massage were you going to give me? For how long?
For 30 seconds.
Okay. Assume the position and start massaging.
Okay.
Make sure you get your 30 seconds in. That feels so good.
How many seconds was that?
I don't know. I'm not counting.
I think that was 20.
I think it was 1.
It was 20.
I don't think so.
I think it's 30 now.
You think that was 30?
Mm-hmm.
So you think that I should say that that was worth $6.99?
Yeah.
Because you're a good massager?
And a great massage.
Who made you a great massager?
I don't know. I just think I just made it up.
You just made it up.
And look at my shirt.
Yeah?
Mom loves me to the moon and back.
What's that got to do with massage?
I just
So what do you think? What if, no, what if I were to have another 30-second massage?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Keep squeezing.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm going to get a drink of water.
He's going to get a drink of water. I think that was my third 30-second massage. Did you get a good workout?
Yeah, and that was like 90 seconds.
How do you figure?
Bad and 30, 30, 30.
Oh, yeah, it was a 90-second massage for $6.99. I don't know. You think that's a good deal? Do you think that I'm gonna get that I got my money's worth already?
I think.
Do I get any more, or am I done?
Well, do you want some more?
Might want some more, but maybe not right now. Maybe in a little while.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Wait. Let me see if I'm done. Oh, there's one piece of bacon left. Oh, I mean two.
No, this is a hard decision. That massage felt really good. And he got me right in the right spot. What's going on? What's that?
Bacon.
Oh, you're eating bacon?
Mm-hmm.
My masseuse is a bacon eater?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got to get your strength back, huh? So you can do more massages?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, you know what I think? I think you were in the Minecraft game. I think that was a pretty good massage. I think that was worth $6.99. So I'm putting the Minecraft game on my tablet just for you, okay?
Yay!
Thank you for the massage. It was good.